sis just did her hair and her makeup to sit down here for 10 minutes and have a chat with you because oh my goodness, I needed to calm my nerves down. When I started, I think I used to get really nervous in the beginning, and right now the only reason I am so nervous is because I am finally, you know, putting my heart out to the world and releasing my sheet mask line. And it, like, I don't want to cry. I told myself I'm not going to cry. I have not brought any tissues, but I see wet wipes right here. So where do we start, y'all? Calm down. Let's get straight into this video. Actually, before we get into this video, please do subscribe if you haven't already. Join the YOLZ channel family. You're gonna love it here. We are all about women and lifting each other up. So now let's get into this video. It's really been real. That's why I've been a bit MIA. I've been working obviously on YOLZ Beauty, and I can finally announce that on Friday the 31st of July 2020 we are officially having our pre-orders, which means you can go onto the yolzbeauty.co.za website and actually order. Well, you're placing a pre-order, which means it will take about 5 business days before we actually dispatch any product. But I am here to show you what you are getting, what we're pre-launching, and to give you all those details. And of course, okay, there's no one in the house, that's why I'm shouting. I can finally show you guys the packaging that you'll be receiving when you get your YOLZ Beauty product. So yeah, it is happening. We are officially going live this Friday at midday. So that's 12 noon on Friday, going officially live. Those of you who've already signed up on yolzbeauty.co.za, know already that you'll be getting early access to the website and get to order a bit earlier than everyone else who's not signed up. And yeah, I think this is the part where I should probably get into the actual product and introduce my sheet masks to you. All of the masks have got no perfume, they've got no color, they've got no parabens. You can certainly go and read each and every ingredient. I always encourage you guys to read ingredients and know your way around ingredients. We wanted to use plant-derived scents because people can be sensitive to fragrance, people can react to fragrance, and we do not want to tamper with your skin. For me personally, I have very sensitive skin, so scentless skincare definitely works, or if there's a scent, it definitely has to be a naturally derived scent. Okay, so we created a base formula, which was a hydrating formula, before adding anything else on top of it, and we tested it first before actually adding the main variants in each of these variants. So that means you can try it whatever your skin type is. It is very hydrating. The best comment that we've received from every single person who's used it, whether they've used the brightening mask, whether they've used the moisturizing avocado, whether they've used the soothing aloe, is that their skin is hydrated all throughout the day. So these are the 3 masks. So we've got moisturizing avocado, then we have our pomegranate, which is a brightening pomegranate. I'm so nervous, stop it, y'all. And then we've got our soothing aloe. Okay, so those are the 3 variants we are starting off with in terms of our very first ever launch. These are all hydrating, okay, and we've actually called our first ever YOLZ Beauty range after you, Honey. This range is called Honey Hydrate, and that's just because you made this happen, not me. Yes, I've had to put in the hard work, but to be honest with you, you had my heart. When I walked into Discam and I found that there's no black brand that I could support in terms of my self-care session, no black brand that would serve me in a way that I wanted to. In fact, when I picked up sheet masks, it was usually Korean or European brands, and I said, well, why isn't there any black brand? And I remembered that if you want to see change, you be the change. And that is why I actually started. Part of why I started is because I was just like, well, let me do it. If no one else is doing it yet, why don't you step in and become the change you want to see? And I called it after Honey because y'all are my honeys. Y'all are the real ones. Y'all have been my day ones from the get-go, and I'm getting all teary-eyed. And also because it goes very well with Hydrate. So Honey Hydrate is the range. So hydration was certainly one of the key things we wanted to start off with, because we all need hydration in our skin, whether we've got oily skin, whether we've got sensitive skin, dry skin, combination skin. We all need that hydration, and you can still have dehydrated skin even if you have an oily skin type. So that is why we also made all of these suitable for all skin types, so you can certainly use any of them. Let me get into the detail of each and every one of them. So I started off with showing you the avocado sheet mask. So this one is called a moisturizing avocado, and over here you'll see it says it's dehydrated and thirsty skin. Okay, so that's just a simple suggestion. Again, it's suitable for all skin type, but if you have dehydrated or thirsty skin or super dry skin, you will see the most results by using that one in particular. Of course, my suggestion is try all three of them, see which one works the best for you, and then over time you can actually buy whichever one you're leaning most to. But honestly, in my regimen, I switch them around every single week. I use 3 different ones on my face. So I use the pomegranate one, which is brightening, the avocado one, which I just showed you now, which is moisturizing, and of course the Aloe one, which is soothing. And recently, every single month I've been getting breakouts. The soothing one really calms my acne down. Like right now, I do have a breakout or 2 that's just chilling there because it's that time of the month and it decides to come visit. But I have been using my Aloe one to soothe my skin and calm it down. Okay, in terms of the main natural ingredients, there's obviously avocado seed oil. We also have marula seed oil, and in terms of scent, we have used a pelargonium rosium leaf oil, which is basically a rose scent. All of our products do not have fragrance. I repeat, it does not have any artificial fragrance. The scent that you are smelling is obviously a natural rose scent. Our avocado as well as our Aloe sheet mask have got a rosy scent, versus our pomegranate one, which we've used a ylang ylang flower oil, which is a plant as well. Also, I must mention that each and every one of these sheet masks, the minute you apply it, there's a very cooling effect. They are super cooling. I do want you to feel like you are having a mini spa day. I do want you to feel like you are at the spa and somebody is placing this cooling sheet mask on your face. So you will definitely feel that when you are applying this sheet mask on your face. Secondly, we have our soothing Aloe mask, which I've just spoken about over here. So this one says acne prone and sensitive skin. Again, it's just a suggestion. I have sensitive skin and I use these every single week. In the Aloe sheet mask, we use an aloe leaf juice as well as cannabis sativa seed oil, which is basically a hemp seed oil, which we wanted to use. It is very light and it does not clog any pores, so we definitely wanted to use something that is safe enough for sensitive skin as well as acne prone skin. So it's very calming, very cooling to the skin. You will definitely let me know once you try it. I don't want to be the one telling you how it's going to feel. I just can't wait to hear what you're going to say about it. Next, we have one of my favorites, which is the pomegranate. This is the brightening pomegranate mask. And then over here we've got dark marks and uneven skin tone. This one in particular consists of licorice root as well as pomegranate. Licorice root is known to be the skin brightener of plants basically, and it is an amazing ingredient. It's packed with antioxidants. I don't want to get into the ingredient, but it's one of my favorites because licorice root does wonders for your skin. Just in terms of hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, dull looking skin, it basically just brightens up your skin. And the fact that it's a natural way of doing that just makes my heart burst. Okay, so I did decide to use the pomegranate image, even though I actually would have loved to use the licorice root. It just doesn't look aesthetically pleasing, to be honest with you. But of course it does contain pomegranate. It is one of the main ingredients as well. It's a combination of pomegranate and of course licorice root, which is literally the magic of brightening in all botanicals. Read about it, read about your ingredients, guys. And of course, in terms of scent, this one has got that ylang ylang flower oil, which I mentioned earlier. And yeah, that is basically the trio we are launching. So in terms of pre-orders, what you can pre-order is the hydration trio. Okay, we are launching it as a trio because we want you to try all 3 products when you start with them. However, if you think, no, I don't really want to try the Aloe one, or I want to just try the brightening one, I want to try 3 of those, on the website we will have those available as well. So you can choose from either trying all 3 different variants, it's a pack of 3, or a pack of 3 of the same product. That is what we have on pre-order on Friday. You can literally decide, I just want to try Aloe. So that would mean you would pay 125 Rand to try out the trio you desire, either all 3, pomegranate, avocado as well as Aloe, or a pack of 3 with 1 variant. So that would be 3 pomegranate or 3 avocado or 3 Aloe. I really hope that makes sense, but you'll see it on the website. It's pretty simple, and we want to try and simplify the pre-order process for you. So that is all that will be live on the website on Friday. We'll literally be able to see the hydration trio. For any queries or concerns that you have, we will definitely be answering those questions via via email. Because it's pre-order means that you won't be getting your products the next day. So we will start dispatching all your products 5 working days after the pre-order date. We will try and definitely do it earlier, but we don't want to overpromise and underdeliver. The packaging, guys, I want to hear in the comment section what you think of our packaging. So often we as influencers receive the best packaging, and then when you buy something, obviously you're telling a plastic. Even if it's online, sometimes you just get it with the basic packaging, whereas with influencers we get, you know, the creme de la creme. But this is a Honey Hydrate range. This is about my honeys. I wanted my honeys to feel special because you are, and I would not be where I am today. I wouldn't even have the capital that I had to invest into this business without you honeys. So I wanted you to feel special, and I really wanted to make this packaging as special as possible for you. I really hope you love it. Yeah, I just can't wait for you to hold it and touch it and almost sort of have my heart in your hands in a sense, you know. So I'm really excited. The other thing I didn't mention is that the serum is a creamy formula, so it's not very like loose, you'll see it, but it penetrates into the skin amazingly. I can't wait to hear what you have to say about the formula. You can definitely leave it for 15 minutes, 20 minutes if your skin is not super sensitive, but I leave it for 15 minutes on my face. If you haven't signed up already and you want early access, do so by just logging on to yolzbeauty.co.za, and you will be able to sign up and get an email on Friday when we launch earlier. I am so excited yet so nervous at the same time. I really feel like I'm giving you my heart, and for the first time it's as if I'm sending all my honeys something that is so tangible and so real to me, and I'm letting it literally sit in your hands and on your face. So it's really scary, but I really hope that you all love this range as much as I do. I just can't wait to have you have my heart, to be honest. As nervous as I am right now about it, I know you're all excited, and I'm so grateful for the excitement. The levels, the hype on social media, it's insane. In fact, if you don't follow us already, please do so. We are YOLZ Beauty on Instagram, so go ahead and follow us. We're also YOLZ Beauty on Twitter as well, so definitely do follow our pages just in case you're online and experiencing something. Ganti, we've already announced it on an Insta story post on our YOLZ Beauty Instagram page, so definitely go ahead and like our pages. Go ahead and subscribe here on my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I certainly cannot wait to walk this journey with you physically, tangibly. Guys, I'm excited, I'm nervous all at once, and I certainly hope you will love this baby too. Mwah. Bye.